In 1325, two Italian cities went to war. Thousands died. The reason? A wooden bucket. Welcome back to history's most absurd moments. This is the story of the War of the Bucket, and trust me, it's wilder than it sounds.
Thousands died over.
To understand this madness, we need to go back to medieval Italy. The entire country was divided into two factions, constantly at war. Bologna supported the Pope. Modena supported the Emperor. They'd been enemies for decades, and any excuse for a fight would do. On a summer night in 1325, Modenese soldiers launched a daring raid on Bologna. Their mission? Steal whatever they could. They grabbed weapons, supplies, and one soldier spotted a wooden bucket sitting by a well. He thought, why not? And took it. When Bologna discovered their bucket was stolen, they were furious. This wasn't just any bucket. This was their bucket. The bucket became a symbol of disrespect. Bologna demanded its return. Modena refused and displayed it as a trophy. Bologna assembled an army of 32,000 soldiers. Modena gathered just 7,000 troops. This was about to get bloody. The two armies met at Zappolino on November 15, 1325. What happened next shocked everyone. Despite being outnumbered 4-1, Modena absolutely destroyed Bologna's army. Over 2,000 Bolognese soldiers died that day. Bologna retreated in disgrace. They'd lost thousands of men, and Modena still had their bucket. But here's the twist. Historians debate whether the bucket caused the war or if it was just the final insult in a long rivalry. The truth. Bologna and Modena were looking for an excuse to fight. The bucket just happened to be there. It became a symbol of all their hatred, decades of rivalry, and political tension boiling over into one ridiculous conflict. The war technically continued for years, but the Battle of Zappolino was the main event, and Modena kept the bucket. Now here's the crazy part. The bucket still exists. You can visit it today in Modena. It sits in the town hall tower, over 700 years old, a monument to humanity's ability to fight over absolutely anything. The War of the Bucket reminds us that throughout history, the reasons for war are often more complicated than they appear. So next time someone tells you they're fighting over nothing, remember, people once went to war over a bucket. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.